Welcome to Myclass, Yourclass! Today's video, what's on the menu?
Wow, this restaurant is so cool.
I'm super hungry.
Me too. Let's look at the menu. What do you want to eat?
I think I want a burger with cheese and fries. Yum, yum.
That sounds good, but I want spaghetti with tomato sauce.
What about dessert?
Ooh, look, chocolate cake.
Or ice cream? I love ice cream. Vanilla or chocolate?
Chocolate, of course.
Okay, chocolate for you, vanilla for me.
What about subscribing for more?